Join me as I dive into the challenge of merging ancient Indian concepts with cutting-edge magnetic materials to create something totally new. The intersection of ancient Indian concepts and modern magnetic materials is a fascinating one. It may seem like an unlikely pairing, but as we'll explore in this video, it could lead to some truly groundbreaking innovations. Modern material science is facing some significant challenges. We're pushing the limits of what's possible with traditional materials, and it's becoming increasingly clear that we need to think outside the box to overcome the obstacles we're facing. One of the biggest challenges we're facing is the difficulty in scaling up production of certain materials while maintaining their unique properties. This is particularly true when it comes to magnetic materials, which are crucial for everything from energy generation to medical devices. The current methods we have for producing these materials are often expensive, time-consuming, and can result in inconsistent quality. We desperately need new approaches to overcome these limitations. Another challenge we're facing is the environmental impact of our material production processes. Many of the materials we use today have significant environmental drawbacks, from the energy required to produce them to the waste they generate. As we move towards a more sustainable future, we need to find ways to reduce our environmental footprint, and that means developing materials that are not only more effective but also more eco-friendly. One of the biggest hurdles to overcome is the lack of interdisciplinary collaboration. Historically, scientists and engineers have worked in isolation, focusing on their specific area of expertise without considering the broader implications of their work. But we can't afford to work in silos anymore. We need to bring together experts from different fields to share knowledge and ideas. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to explore ancient Indian concepts like Akasha and Prana and how they relate to the properties of magnetic materials. Akasha, for example, refers to the ether or the fifth element, and it's believed to be the fundamental substance that makes up the universe. In modern terms, we might think of Akasha as the quantum field that underlies all matter. Prana, on the other hand, refers to the life force or vital energy that flows through all living things. In the context of magnetic materials, we might think of prana as the flow of energy or spin that gives rise to magnetism. These ancient concepts may seem like superstition to some, but they contain a deep understanding of the natural world that's worth exploring. By examining the properties of magnetic materials through the lens of Akasha and Prana, we may uncover new insights that could lead to breakthroughs in material science. For example, if we think of magnetic fields as a manifestation of prana, we might begin to see the material world in a new light, as a complex web of interconnected energies and forces. One breakthrough that comes to mind is the discovery of a new class of magnetic materials that mimic the properties of prana. These materials, which we'll call prana magnets, have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and store energy. By tuning the flow of energy in these materials, we could create ultra-efficient motors, generators, and batteries that have the potential to transform industries. Imagine, for example, electric cars that can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, or wind turbines that can generate power with unprecedented efficiency. The potential applications are endless, and it's all thanks to the inspiration we drew from ancient Indian concepts. This is just the beginning, and as we continue to explore the intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science, we may uncover even more surprising breakthroughs. As we merge ancient Indian concepts with cutting-edge magnetic materials, we may be on the cusp of a major breakthrough in technology and materials science. The possibilities are endless, and it's an incredibly exciting time to be alive. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on merging ancient wisdom with modern science in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more topics like this, be sure to check out my other videos on the intersection of ancient wisdom and modern technology.